Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my wigs. Just a little disclaimer, everybody does it different. Everybody has their own ways. This is just personally my way that I like to do it and it works for me. So yeah, we're going to just go ahead and jump right into this, you guys. Alright, so what you're going to need is bobby pins, a wig cap, a rat tail comb, and a brush. I also have this Got To Be Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. This is optional. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I don't always do it. I just do it sometimes when I just kind of want to press it down. I'm not always wearing my wigs that long, so just throwing that out there. Okay, so then of course you're gonna need your wig of choice, and this is my pink wig. This is an 8-inch A-line bob. She's so pretty, you guys. She is 100% real hair, so you can curl it, you can straighten it, whatever you want. Ow, that hurt. I had a knot in my hair. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, so I have it parted, and then I'm going to split the back, and I'm just going to twist it, and I'm going to wrap the opposite side over like so, and then I'm just going to start bobby pinning the hair from the opposite side to my head. Get it as flat as you can, and everybody, it's personal preference. You can either braid your hair if you prefer. You can do like 2 braids. If you have more hair, if you have thicker hair, you can do that, so that way it'll lay flatter on your head. I don't have that thick of hair, so this works perfect for me. So yeah, I just kind of do it like that. I just wrap it. So then we're gonna get our wig cap, and we're just gonna place this on. I'm gonna look a little crazy for a few minutes, but yeah. If you ever have like a wig that is the same color as your hair or something like that, or it's dark, you could always leave some of your hairs out, but since my hair is blue, I gotta tuck everything in just like that. So the wig, this is the inside, so you have a clip in the front, you have 2 on the side, and then you have these little strings here, so you can adjust the wig to your head in case it's maybe a little too big. You can always adjust it, and then it has like the little hooks right there, so you can go ahead and get your gel and put some on your finger and just kind of lift your wig cap up. And you're gonna place the gel in front of your hairline, you guys. You don't want to do it on the hairline, do it right in front. So you don't want to take off any of your baby hairs. And then you can get your blow dryer, and on a cool setting, just kind of blow dry that area until it gets a little tacky. If you feel it's a little tacky, just go ahead and throw on your wig. And of course, I already cut the lace off and all that, but if you have a brand new wig, when you do the lace, don't cut it completely off, you guys, just because you want to be able, if you want the lace to have something to stick to, you know what I mean? Because if you cut the lace off, it's not gonna look natural. It's just a hot mess, you guys. Trust me, been there, done that. So that's just, I tightened it in the back, so this is just how it falls on. So where the gel's at, pretty tacky. You just want to pull out the lace and just kind of start laying it right where you put the gel, you guys, and just kind of play with it until it feels right. Just blow dry it down, but mine is laying down pretty well. You just want to adjust it around your ears. And so with this wig, I didn't have to adjust the part or anything. It came pre-plucked, so it looked pretty natural already. So all I did was I just put some concealer on the hairline just to make it a little more natural. And then you and just keep playing with it, you guys, until it's laying the way you want it to. And as you can see, I've worn this wig already a couple days ago, so it still has its curl. So I curled the front part of it, and it stays pretty well. So yeah, guys, this is how I apply my wigs. She's cute. You can kind of just tuck it behind your ear. And I have a picture where I had like the clips in it. You can add some clips, whatever you want. You can add a cute little headband. You can wear it like this, curled, however you want. If you do purchase this wig, I recommend this wig so much because it's so amazing. I actually want to get more colors in it. But yeah, I will have the link down below. So this is pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I was gonna give you a quick little tip. So of course I don't need it on this, but when you do get this wig, it comes with the middle part. So what you can do also is you can get some mousse. So to achieve the side part, I parted it first and then I got some mousse and I just put it all right here and I just combed it down. So I combed it down and then I got my blow dryer and I did like the warm air and I did it to where it will flatten the top out. What you can also do is you can grab your curling iron or your straightener and put it on not too hot, but hot enough where you can run your straightener over top and flatten that out, or your curling iron, whatever works good. I've done both. It will flatten this out so that way it's not super poofy, you know, it's more realistic. It looks like it's your hair, you know. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If it's your first time playing around with wigs, just keep practicing. I promise you will get the hang of it. It's so much fun to get to change up your look. And yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you never miss out on a video. And yeah, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.